Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your Quest 3 and PC must be on the same network and the headset firmware current. Once done, install the PC side app. Virtual Desktop streams easiest, or use Steam VR with Oculus Link drivers for wired. Make sure to enable the necessary permissions on both devices. If asked, allow unknown sources or debugging. This gets you straight into the connection phase without wasting time on basic setup. You now connect and configure. Launch the PC server app first so it advertises on the network, then open the companion app on the Quest 3 and either enter the pairing code or pick your PC from the list. Once connected, tweak streaming settings, raise bitrate for clarity, lower resolution or frame rate if you see lag. Also check firewall rules and make sure the PC app runs with appropriate permissions. Small adjustments here give you a smooth experience. To finish, test the full experience. Open a window, check audio routing, and verify controller mapping in VR. If latency or stutter persists, switch to a wired link or force 5 GHz Wi-Fi and reduce bitrate. Make sure PC graphics drivers and the streaming app are up to date. If things still fail, restart the server app and headset, temporarily disable firewall, or change the streaming codec. One targeted restart or a
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.